Man, I've been so terribly bad at getting vlogs edited and up on the internet. Sorry, guys.
7th floor.
This is my stop. What's up, everybody? It's Tuesday, March 21st. Man, have I failed and failed and failed at doing the things that I've needed to do with this vlog. We're now almost to the end of the third month. I don't even have close to 2 months of vlogs up. I think this will be vlog 42. So I'm almost 50 vlogs short. I'll keep plugging away, I'll keep trying, but man, it's been a rough motivation wise. And it's silly because all the motivation is just right here. So I need to do that. I need to get back to eating healthy again. I didn't do that today either. Got me a bitch witch from Biscuit Bitch, and they are amazingly tasty and amazingly bad for you. But I'm gonna eat it anyway because, man, I need food. Just surrounded by sirens today. Right there. 2 ambulances, a police car. Who knows? Another crazy day in Seattle. Anyway, we're done with work, headed home. Hib and I are about to run off to the grocery store once I get home. And I believe we're gonna do burrito bowls for dinner tonight. So lots of rice, and then the things that you would have in burritos and tacos and things, but inside of a bowl instead. Not sure it's any healthier, but it's sure tasty. So that's what's on tap for tonight. Little dinner. Some paperwork that I need to get done for Sounders related things, and editing today's vlog. And other than that, it's gonna be a nice, quiet, boring day. Headed home. All right, heading home. Man, it's turned into a gorgeous, gorgeous afternoon. There's blue skies, a few clouds, but it's sunny, it's nice. It was supposed to rain all day, but it hasn't rained really. And yeah, it's gonna be a good Tuesday evening. So as expected, tonight was pretty quiet. We came home, we had dinner, we watched wrestling because it was Tuesday, and it was a pretty quiet night. Wonderfully exciting life I lead. But I appreciate very much that you take the time to watch my vlogs every day when I put them up. And those of you who hit that thumbs up, appreciate you very much too. If you want to be part of that cool club, feel free to hit that thumbs up right now. This is all me learning the different tricks and trying to get forward in the process. So it's not always going to be exciting. In fact, most times it's probably not going to be exciting. But I'm really enjoying this journey of pushing the record button, speaking to the camera, speaking to you guys, and it's been fun. So if you want to keep hanging out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. If Oh, yeah, man, I really need to go to sleep. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to yawn in your face. If you it's gone. I don't remember what I was going to say there. I'm sure it was going to be very riveting. Anyway, it's getting late. I'm going to head to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what it is this year that you're working on. What is it that you're trying to challenge yourself to do? And I want to know about it, and so I can keep you accountable, so you can keep, since you guys are watching every week and keeping me accountable when I do videos. So let me know down in the comments below. The cat says hello. She just had her late night dinner. I guess that's a good place I need to stop. Have a good night, guys. Bye.